Reuters James Rodriguez injury latest. Colombia star is not expected to start. Rodriguez has been nursing a thigh problem and it looks like he could only be fit enough for the bench tonight. The Colombian media don't expect the attacking superstar, who is currently on loan at Bayern Munich from Real Madrid, to feature. El Tiempo say Rodriguez will have medical and fitness tests all day ahead of the 7 p.m. kickoff. But they don't expect the midfielder to be able to start. Brighton's Jose Izquierdo could come into the side to replace Rodriguez. Related articles. Reuters James Rodriguez injury update. Colombia star is struggling with a thigh problem. He started the first game of the tournament against Japan but was dropped for the next two as Rodriguez came back into the side for their victories of Poland and Senegal. Izquierdo lined up with Juan Cuadrado, Juan Quintero and Radamel Falcao in a front four in Colombia's training session last night. And it's suggested that will be the side which start against England at the Spartak Stadium. James Rodriguez injury latest. Colombia star is not expected to start. Coach Jose Peckerman isn't giving up hope on using his star man, though. He said yesterday, "We have had good news after his medical tests." Colombia team news. Colombia provide the opposition for England in the World Cup last 16, but who will start? Getty. Colombia odds, 3/1 to win, 21/10 to draw, 23/20 to lose. After his MRI we know he doesn't have a serious injury. We still have 1.5 days to see how he feels and, as always, we hope he will be able to play for the following games. Related articles.